Hey guys, check this out. We have the Tineco A10 Hero. Looks like this. It's kind of like a Dyson style thing, but at a much lower price. So we went with this on Amazon. I'm gonna get it out of the box here and we'll show you what you get. Alright, here's everything out of the box. You got your quick start guide, your manual, your charger, all your attachments, the docking station, the battery pack I took off, but it just slides on there. It says to charge it for 3 hours before you use it the first time. So there you go. Alright, here's everything on the docking station. It doesn't really say what to do with this thing here, so my wife just shoved it on top of the other attachment. So it at least works anyways. And then down here is where you can put a spare battery, and then that thing just kind of plugs in there, but they call it a docking station for some reason. But anyways, we'll get it charged up and then we'll show you how it works. So it should be pretty cool because there's actually LED lights in the front of this. You do it.
So to dump the canister once it's full, you just press this button here. And you don't even have to touch anything.
And in the bottom here is a filter that just pulls out. Just pops in there. The battery, there's little tabs on each side, makes that slide off. This thing here is a lever that actually locks it on. Another filter of some sort in there. Pretty cool little unit. It's pretty light too for what it is. Little button inside here. Pops that all off. Then that all comes apart too, so you can wash it and do whatever you want to do. Cool. So while in operation, there's this button on the top. Normal operation says it'll run for 25 minutes. On max, it says it'll run for 7. So not something you're going to use all the time.
Hey, Daddy.
So you can, while you're running it, you can toggle on and off the max or the high suction with that button. So just something for your information. Here's how we kind of store it. It's been a couple days since we unboxed it and whatnot and charged it. The wife's used it a little bit. You can see here all the stuff has built up. Well, built up. She just hasn't emptied it, basically, in a nutshell. But she loves it. It's been working good. This is the attachment she's been using. So I'll just grab it and pick it up. It'll come off the docking station. You can see how you can swivel it, kind of like a Dyson deal. I'll hit the trigger here and you'll see it'll, oh, I gotta put the battery on first. There's the battery. Okay, got the battery on. Now I'll hit the trigger and you'll see the lights. I'll hit the max button here. You can tell the difference. So it's got some sort of motor or something down there. But there's that attachment. You can see you can get around, get underneath things. Works pretty well. We'll get it under the bed, pretty far under the bed. And you can see. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'll take that attachment off. See, there's a clippy here, so you'll push the clippy, And then the head will come off. Try to do it one-handed. There it goes. And we'll stick this short guy on there. This is not the easiest thing to do one-handed. Anyway, there we go. Motor of some sort in it too, so you can do smaller things, little messes. So there's that. So we've got kind of the wand, or whatever you want to call that. It's something you'd use for cleaning out your car or little stuff like so. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I don't have it quite pushed on far enough. Anyway, you got some options. Plus you've got this other one here yet. So anyway, we're happy with it. And she said she'd recommend it. So here's how that goes. Sorry, this one-handed is really not easy. Anyway, you just got to pull this lever and it'll lock it on. You can see the battery's down to 1 bar here, 2 and 3. So there you go. Big thumbs up. She loves it. Recommend it. So far, she's happy over the Dyson. So there you go. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, put any questions down below, and I'll see about getting her to answer them. So hope you found this useful.